Come test drive the 2018 Fusion Energi. The Ford Fusion Energi is an electric hybrid vehicle with all of the efficiencies you want in an electric vehicle. It also offers the new Sync infotainment interface, push-button start, and an 11-speaker audio system, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, passenger airbag, front-wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heated driver's seat, power door locks, fog lamps, compass, power windows, airbags. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.